My name is Danny Ng. I'm the owner of techmurah.com. Techmurah.com is a green technology platform where we focus on refurbish, repair and also remarketing of used IT gadgets. I strongly feel that laptops and PCs could be more affordable so that more Malaysia could actually benefit from learning or working online. Other than just helping to reduce the carbon footprint, we are also encouraging many corporates as well as individuals to reuse and also to repair rather than replace the laptops or IT equipment. We supply to quite a number of construction companies. Because of that, I think we help in terms of saving them quite a fair bit of money, contribute our part in terms of sustainable development. We are importing close to 6 countries at the moment, making these IT gadgets affordable to Asia, but we wanted to make it available in any other Asia country. We have that vision to make it happen within the next 5 years.